The world feels quiet. The space beside you in bed is cold, a stark reminder of what's gone. The silence echoes with memories and laughter that now feel distant. This is heartbreak, a deep, personal ache that can make you feel alone, even in a crowd. But you are not alone. Your heart aches because it loved, and that's profoundly human. The end of a relationship is a unique grief, not just for a person, but for a future you imagined. Your morning routines, inside jokes, and the comfort of being known. It's okay to feel lost and uncertain. This is a sacred space, deserving of tenderness. Healing isn't a checklist. It's about honoring your pain and allowing yourself to be imperfect. Be gentle with yourself, as you would with a friend. The world can wait. Your only job now is to breathe and be present with your experience. The emptiness you feel is proof of the fullness you once shared and the courage it took to love. That courage is still within you, even in sorrow. After a breakup, you might think your intense emotions are weakness, but your pain reflects your capacity to love. Feeling deeply is a superpower. You were brave enough to be vulnerable and invest your heart. Many of us try to numb our feelings, but unacknowledged emotions don't disappear. They linger. The bravest thing you can do is let yourself feel it all. Anger, confusion, sadness, loss. Name your feelings without judgment. They're valid parts of your story. Think of your heart as a muscle. Breaking isn't destruction, it's growth. This pain is transformative. By feeling it, you build resilience. You're not falling apart, you're becoming whole in a new way. Grieving isn't linear. Some days will be better, others harder. Be patient with the ebb and flow. Each wave helps you heal. Your feelings aren't the enemy. They're guides leading you back to yourself. Let them show you the way forward. When a relationship ends, it's easy to believe you're unlovable or flawed, but that's a lie heartbreak tells you. The end of a relationship doesn't define your worth. You are, and always have been, worthy of love and belonging. Sometimes, two people simply stop growing in the same direction. This is just one chapter in your story. A painful one, but not the last. The loss you feel is making space for new growth. Now is your chance to reconnect with yourself, apart from any role as a partner. Ask, who do you want to be? What dreams have you set aside? The love you shared was real, and the lessons matter. But now, you get to turn the page. The pen is back in your hand. Your story continues. Now begins the work of reclaiming yourself. Call your energy back home. Start with small, intentional acts of self-care. Make yourself that cup of coffee. Take yourself on that hike. Rediscover what lights you up. Music, books, hobbies. This isn't about distraction, but rebuilding your life around your own joy. Reflect on what you've learned, your needs, your boundaries, your non-negotiables. Every relationship teaches us, even in heartbreak. Your worth isn't determined by someone else's ability to see it. By investing in yourself, you reinforce your inherent value. This is how you take your power back. The final step is forgiveness. Not for them, but for yourself. Forgiveness is self-liberation, releasing the anchor of resentment. Let go of self-blame. You did your best with what you knew. Letting go is a daily practice. Choose freedom over bitterness. As you forgive, you create space for hope and new possibilities. The future is a blank canvas, waiting for your colors. Believe in better things ahead, and in a love that honors who you are. After pain comes power. A broken heart can hold more light and wisdom. You are not just a survivor. You are a warrior. You've walked through heartbreak and found your way back to the light. Your best days are ahead. Step forward and claim them.